Now I am going to discuss about the motion of the follower in case of the cycloidal motion. Motion of the follower for the cycloidal motion. Okay. So in that case, the cycloid in case of cycloidal motion, the displacement will be S equals to h by pi into pi theta by phi minus half into sine 2 pi theta by phi. This is the displacement displacement formula in case of the cycloidal motion. Okay. Now ds by dt equals to velocity v. So we can also write ds by d theta into d theta by dt. Okay. So from here we can also write v equals to ds by d theta. It means h by pi into pi by phi minus half into 2 pi by phi into cos 2 pi theta by phi into d theta by dt. Okay. Now v equals to, it will be h by pi into pi by phi minus, so 2 will be cancelled out. So now part will be pi by phi into cos 2 pi theta by phi, and d theta by dt, it will be equals to omega. So now v equals to, if we multiply this term with h by pi, then it will be pi will be cancelled out, so it will be h by phi. Again pi will be cancelled out, so this term will be h by phi into cos 2 pi 2 pi theta by phi into omega. Now multiply this term with the omega, then again we will get v equals to h by phi minus, h omega by phi into cos 2 pi theta by phi. This is the formula of the velocity in case of the cycloidal motion. Okay. Now we have to calculate the maximum velocity. So for the maximum velocity theta equals to phi by 2. So for the maximum velocity, for the condition of the maximum velocity, theta equals to phi by 2. Okay. So now v max equals to, now put the value of theta into phi by 2 into this equation, then it will be h omega by phi minus h omega by phi into cos 2 pi into phi by 2. So now it will be 2 will be cancelled out, and here 1 phi will be there, and this phi will be cancelled out. So now the v max equals to, it will be now h omega by phi minus h omega by phi into cos pi. So now it will be v max equals to, so cos pi equals to -1. Okay, so minus 1, so it will be h omega by phi plus h omega by phi. So ultimately Vmax equals to 2 into h into omega by phi. This is the formula for the maximum velocity. This is the formula for the maximum velocity. Okay. So Vmax equals to 2h omega by phi. Okay. Now coming to the acceleration. That is acceleration. So acceleration equals to F equals to dv by dt. dv by dt equals to dv by d theta into d theta by dt. So from here, so v equals to h omega minus h omega minus h omega by phi into cos 2 pi theta. So here it will be v equals to h omega by phi minus h omega by phi cos 2 pi theta by phi. Theta by phi. This is the velocity. So now for the f it will be h omega by phi and 2 pi by phi. Okay, h omega by phi into 2 pi by phi sine 2 pi theta by phi. So now f equals to, it will be 2 and also d theta by dt. So now it will be 2 into h into pi into omega by phi square into sine 2 pi theta by phi into, it will be omega d theta by dt equals to omega. So now f equals to, if we multiply this term with omega, then it will be 2 into h into pi into omega square by phi square, omega square by phi square into sine pi theta by phi. Okay, so this is the formula for the acceleration. This is the formula for the acceleration. Okay, this is the formula for the acceleration. Now for the maximum acceleration, for maximum acceleration, that is f max. For the f max, so it will be condition with theta equals to phi by 4. So now put the value of theta equals to phi by 4 into this equation. Then f max equals to 2 into h into pi into omega square divided by phi square into sine pi theta equals to phi by 4. So pi into phi by 4 phi. Okay, sorry, there is a one mistake, that is 2 pi theta. So it will be 2 pi by phi, so it will be 2 pi. So it will be 2 pi. Okay, so now for the f max 2 4, so it will be now and phi will be cancelled out, so pi by 2. So 2h into pi omega square by phi square into sine pi by 2. So now f max equals sine pi by 2 is sine 90 degree. So sine 90 degree equals to 1. So f max will be 2 into h into pi into omega square by phi square. Okay, so f max equals to 2 into h into pi into omega square by phi square. This is the maximum acceleration. Okay.